Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can change the image on Canva template. So guys, for example, this template, I want to change this image as you can see here, and you want to choose this template first one and go to the search on Canva and Elima. You find food, guys, as you can see here. If for example guys you want to use this image to change here, just drag this image here and you find, as you can see here, was a beautiful image and I changed it. And you can click graphics and you find different foods, as you can see here. For example, this food, guys, and as you can see here, you can change easily. So this is how you can change, guys, the Canva template. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon, guys. Keep watching. Any question down below on commenter and Canva, and I will happy to answer your question as soon as possible.